So just to help you get through this next few days of energy, I'm sitting out here in my Reiki room, beautiful energy out here tonight. Just helped somebody in a session doing some EFT, and my EFT case studies, I'm still in the midst of those. So I'm out here quietly, and I decided I'm ask my guides to help you out there go through this shift, because I'm sure you're feeling it. I know I am. I felt it last week while we were going through the moon energies and the eclipse energies, and now we're still in retrograde and we're going through those purging dense energies through the physical body, through our 3D dense low vibration body. We're trying to purge out all of the old negative emotions, beliefs, limitations, all of those things we're trying to purge up and out of us. So I've asked my guides if they will step forward, and I never know what's going to happen, so you have to bear with me and them. As you know, I am a channel for energy. Not only do I do Reiki, but I also am a channel for sound, tone, and light language, or speaking in tongue, angel tongue, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to bring forward my guides now to help you, help yourself get through this dense energy that we're going through at the moment, helping you to activate your chakras. I don't know which chakras is going to be until I open my mouth and allow them to do their thing. So all I want you to do is try to find a little place where you can get a bit of peace. You can listen to this lying down, sitting up. Remember that your guides are only going to give you what you can handle. And I'm asking for the intention now to help me help you, allowing me to bring this energy from source, from your star family, your guides, bringing all them forward, your life family, your family in spirit who've crossed on and also coming in to help now, stepping in behind me. And they're going to use me and my channel to help you shift this negative energy, any energies that you're feeling at the moment, anything that's being purged up and out of your physical body, just to help with that, removing that off of your physical body as you try to navigate this energy shift that's happening at the moment. So closing down your eyes, I want you to take a deep breath, breathing in. And when you connect with that breath, breathing it in, down through the top of your head, through the crown chakra, down through your third eye, your throat, and down into your chest. Breathing in, feel that connection, connected to source, and letting go. Any emotions, negative emotions, fears, anxieties, letting them go. And again, in with the golden light. Breathing it down into your belly this time. Down into your solar plexus, into your sacral chakra, opening up those chakras now. And allowing that energy now to be released. Any energies that you're holding in your stomach, letting them go. And one more time now, breathing down from the top of your head, down through all of your energy centers, bringing it down into your root chakra, your first energy center, in your hips, in your groin. And as the energy flows down and hits that energy center, your root chakra, see that root chakra spinning now. And as it spins, it flows the energy down from source, down both your legs, through your knees, your shins, your calves, down, out through the soles of your feet. And if you're lying on a bed, visualize it flowing off the bed down to the floor, connecting you through the floor, down, deep down, into Mother Earth's core. Feeling that connection now. Bringing that energy in, fully grounding, connecting you now. Imagine it like the roots of a tree. Wrap those roots around Mother Earth, feeling connected. You're safe, protected. And I want you to imagine your guides stepping in and around you now. Your life guides, your spiritual team, your teachers, all of your friends and family in spirit. Bringing them forward, bringing forward your angels, especially Archangel Michael, Gabriel, Uriel, Raphael. And we bring forward Archangel Chamuel. He is the angel of the heart, assisting the heart energy at the moment as we raise this vibration. And bringing forward your galactic friends, your star beings, your star family, also asking for their assistance, bringing them forward. Visualize them all around you now. You are in the center of this circle. As they form the circle around you, they all join hands, feeling this energy from them. You are fully protected and you are safe. Staying with your breaths now. Breathing in, letting go. And as the guides step forward now, I want you to feel this energy wherever it is in your body. Breathing the energy down through your body. And this breath that's coming down from Source is your connection. Your connection to your higher self. Your connection to Source itself. And allow these guides to step in and assist you right now. Korotosra takala hayatasra brutsna hordasra mokorata hiyatakolo kordasra meatasra hi. Mukoyata radol kordasra mukoyata remeata anirda. Zutorda rabukola kana hiyata ramurtasra hira mukolokaya. Ziteneahatasra mukoyata renakala kordasna. Mertasne mukoyata brenar desra te brutsni. Mukorda zineta kolokoyata sara pratsna har dilene kalakoyata area kana harapko nata sara tasna moya kana kala hata sara karahi. Taking a deep breath in. Sietordere mukorda te preatalat kurtasre ni kardasra la kolloto sra mordena re karahi zoton ordena la karahi ta mordena la tsinete zoton kordena la kayata soto kordasna hardasra pukanai zetene ardo le nardasna muyatanai So they're working on your third eye at the moment, activating the third eye, spinning the third eye with the right frequency, right vibration. And as they're activating this third eye chakra with the tips of my fingers, as energy is being pulsed from my fingers down and into your third eye chakra. Sieta kono yeta rede pritsi. Kono korte na rena. Zetena la korda sare more ne keata lahi yeta karahi. Zeteno korda na harda na more ne na yata sara moiki yata yi. Zedena loto sara mar de neoko. Zetero koloko yatana hardesene kordo saranakarai. Zenea no hono kono hoyata ardenekene. Oro kolokuratsana harde korokono koyatasana. Amenenia nanananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananananan ordenardo colocorda, juto conordena, zianana nianana nianana, hordorenerda, zito cornordenia tarasanamoye tasenekedia sanatakari, zitenokolokoye tasanamoye tasenedenai. So they are activating this third eye chakra, activating it with sound, with tone, and also with this tapping of my fingers is like a Morse coding, activating the third eye chakra. So now you will be able to see more clearly, moving the third eye chakra, spinning it with the right frequency, right vibration. So it spins the way it should have always spun. Before now, it has spun much slower. And as they spin it with this energy flowing from my hands, from the tips of my fingers, you may feel a physical discomfort in your third eye across your forehead. This is okay as the energy is being released. You may feel it in your eyes, they say, and also in your ears, maybe a popping in your ears. This is normal. They are allowing it to be removed now, and also it is activating the pineal and pituitary glands. And take a deep breath in. Letting it go. And moving to the heart chakra now. Taking a deep breath into the heart chakra, they say. Feeling this energy now. Sieta cordo sera pratsna hardetse kolokodosna pekieta sera karantsna tiesroko meretesna karatsna urdosna mieta karahieta hon hoda karatsna inia kana hardesna muishieta sna taseta uputisnia inekieta kara alakalaia tasna ardesna kornea takarahi zdono urde mer desna olokorekieta na ardo kulokea nekenia tasna mu urdone ardesna olokanea sna karatsni Akiata arda sarakulötes na arde krahi. Unohorda na kolota sarapritsni. Enakini ha harako kokuyatasana arlo Border narde namo satar de locorda. And take a deep breath in. Siar dolore nare che atasrato cordes in amore. Erda nahalutu cerebrea nare che atasra connoiata ine che atahordo connoia. They say, receive this gift from us to you. We use this energy to help shift old vibrational energy from the heart, old traumas, old emotional energy from this life and other lifetimes. We help you to remove these now as you purge these energies up through your physical body. This heart will become anew as this energy is shifting from third dimensional energies to fourth and fifth dimensional energies. You must shift the old energies, especially from the heart. We are here always, and we will always assist you, especially in the heart chakra, as you navigate this dense energy. This earth energy is purging also, and you are feeling this in your physical heart chakra. We ask you to feel it and allow it to be released. As these energies are purged up through the surface, we ask you to release them. You must release them. This is your free will, your choice, and only you can allow those energies to be released now. We take this energy. We remove it from your heart. And moving down now to the root chakra in your groin area. Taking a deep breath down into your groin, down into your hips, to your pelvic bone. Sianarda Giatsna Hordo. Moridina Lordo Seremeatanoi. Muleanani Ananani Ananani Ananan. Muyananananananananananananananananananan. Zununununananianianianianianianianianianianianian. Zianola diasana hardisana kolokoyatasara mea ariana horodosana haragiyatasara murdia. We are assisting the root chakra now to remove energy and bring it down to the ground, down through your legs and down out the soles of your feet. Take a deep breath in, and as you visualize this energy down into the root chakra, I want you to see it now flowing down, a spiral motion flowing down through both of your legs and down, deep down to Mother Earth's core. Feeling that connection now and releasing the old energies that are being stored in the root chakra, releasing them now, allowing them to be surrendered and released, down, transmuting this energy down into Mother Earth. Allow her to receive this energy. Niyata saratako yatanahi, mokoyatana harde sirekiyatahi. Mokoyatanahi, takoloto sanama harde anahakahayatahi. Ikiyata sarana ardasnahi akarasna hurdo. We are assisting you right now as you go through this ascension process. As you are ascending in the physical body now, we are using this channel to help remove physical energies, old vibrational energies, old, dense, lower energies from the physical body. We use this channel to spin the chakras, the third eye, the heart, and also the root chakra, allowing these energies to be removed and also new energies to be activated in the chakras. These energies will help the physical body to move easily as the ascension process happens, allowing the shift of the energy to happen much easier in the physical body. We ask that you drink plenty of water while you also purge and shift this energy out physically. You should know that we are here always and we are assisting you on the etheric plane. We are assisting you from the spirit side. As you navigate and remove this physical energy, we are also assisting the mental, emotional and spiritual bodies. We will help remove the physical bodies, the physical energies from the physical body. And taking a deep breath in, bringing your hands into prayer position over your heart, and namaste. Mia toko hordo sana mahala desne hieta kara hordo mayatasna. Mekieta hordo koroto sana mayetasrehi. Tiata sana oloko iena. Marania na holo horona heretsni kiritsni. Nene hiata hardo koroto sana mahieta. Nakardisni. Makarnatasni ieta kara hordo sana mahi. our light to your light. We are assisting you now. Namaste. Blessings and light. So as you know, I never know what is going to come forward, so I just trust my guides totally. My leg has gone dead, sorry. I hope that helped. I definitely felt the energy being shifted in me, so I'm hoping that's going to help you as much as it helped me. As you are going through this physical shift, especially at the moment, while it's very dense out there. It's very dense for us and it's very dense in the physical body. Try to remain calm, try to drink as much water as you can, try to connect with the breath as much as you can. I know that I harp on about it a lot, but if you can, try to connect and meditate, because that's when you really are connected to your higher self and source, your oversoul, your higher consciousness, the person that you are. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you are feeling the physical purging going on, the best place to be is out in your grass, out in your garden for your grounding. And also, again, drinking the water is so important at this moment as we shift and purge out this negative energy. Always helps. So hopefully that helped you, and blessings and light to you in this very dense time that we're going through. Namaste.